Hi everyone, this is Musamir Raza, and this presentation will take you through to the 2.1 task and how it was done. So in this task, we were asked to blink LED using the Morse code, and we needed to use the characters in the first name to blink an LED accordingly. So let's get into it. This is my project setup. Um, this is what I've used. So basically what I've used this is an argon particle, a USB cable to attach to my Wi-Fi enabled laptop, and this is pretty much all you need for this project. So basically what we need to do in this task is to build the LED, build an LED on the particle according to the Morse code. So in this small presentation, I'll be showing you my code on and how I blink my particle LED on based on my first name. So yep, let's get into it. Right, so let's jump in. Here is my code that I've used to blink the LED. I've created dot and dash procedures to represent certain characters, and I'll be using these procedures to blink LED according to the characters of my first name. Um, so yeah, so in the dot procedure, the light will have a uptime of half a second and a downtime of half a second, and the dash will have a uptime of about 1.5 seconds and a downtime of about half a second. And yep, so let's jump into it. Here I have got my first my first character here, which is M uses 2 dash. So what's gonna happen is the light will have an uptime of about 1.5 seconds and will have a downtime of about half a second. And then again, this procedure is gonna repeat because I've got 2 dash here in my M. And we'll have a so the light will have an uptime of about 1.5 seconds again and a downtime of about half a second, right? And then it will have a delay of for about a second, and then we have then I've got my second character here, which is U. U is represented by 2 dot and a dash. Um, so if you can see the dot will have a uptime of about half a second and a downtime of half a second. So how do I know it's a half a second? If you go up here, so it says integer unit is equals 500. So 500 means half of a second. The 1000 being the full second, and 500 means a half of a second. So yeah, M has 2 dash, U has got dot dot and dash, then Z has got double dash double dot, and yeah, you probably follow the same procedure until until the last character of your name. And here is my Morse code, which will be represented through the blinking of LED on my particle icon. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it.